How to use workers' compensation online guidance properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Workers' compensation claims can feel straightforward online, but most beginners make mistakes that reduce benefits. You won't believe how simple errors can cost weeks, or even thousands in lost income. The first mistake is failing to report your injury promptly. Most states require immediate notification to your employer. Delays can result in denied claims. Another common error is not following medical recommendations. Treating injuries under approved doctors creates an official record. Skipping care or using unapproved providers may jeopardize benefits. Many users also make the mistake of exaggerating symptoms. While it may seem tempting, inconsistencies between medical records and claims are quickly flagged, which can delay or deny compensation. A surprising mistake is neglecting paperwork. Online guidance platforms provide forms and checklists, but incomplete or incorrect submissions are a leading cause of claim rejection. Double-check dates, signatures, and details before submission. Finally, beginners often avoid consulting professionals when needed. Even online guidance cannot replace advice from a workers' compensation attorney or benefit specialist if disputes arise. To properly use workers' compensation online guidance, report injuries promptly, follow approved medical treatment, submit accurate paperwork, avoid exaggeration, and seek professional advice when necessary. Following these steps maximizes your benefits and prevents costly mistakes.